Hey everyone, are you facing a Gmail password recovery challenges? You don't have the recovery email and the recovery phones, and you would like to the rescue of your Gmail password. How is it possible? They will try to generate a more alternative options that has limited option or opportunity has been given by especially Google's. Now we will create a more opportunity to other rescue of it. How it is possible? We will see. Don't worry, guys. If someone who has stolen your email password or hacked or hijacked by someone or stolen by someone, change everything. So now, you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phone so that you can the rescue of your email password. However, this can be rescued. How it is possible? You know your Gmail ID. That's all. That's enough for it. So let's see. We'll see lives. This ID has been recommended by one viewer who has, yes, lost his device and due to losing of his device now, especially recommended to other as coffees. And see, I have accepted. Yes, I have accepted these challenges to other as coffees without having the recovery email and the recovery phone and see here what's going to happen in this tutorial. It's a saying so by a normal method, he was exhausted and here, also by a common method, not possible. 2-3 option is given that you did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is really yours. So, if you would like to rescue this account, so try again and answer this question. So, second is that yes, if your account is managed with the family link, should we have the sense and email to your parents to change your password? It's not possible from my side, especially by 2 options. So, can I have the more options? Yes, we will cut it from here. Directly, we will come in, especially in the Play Store. In the Play Store, just we will go for here. Tap on, especially search bar to here. You will have to write one browser name that is Via. And when we will click on a Via, now it has already, especially we can see here install. So let me firstly, I would like to show you that. Let me uninstall and then we will go for install it. So now it's installing. It's scarcely the 3 MB the special M, that's all. So it has completely installed once again. Just we will cut it from here. And upon what we will have to do here now, yes, we will have to two chances that is very crucial, guys. Apply a simple strategy on any smartphones that I have here executed. And magically you will be able to other as your. So here, just we will click on a notification. Notification we will have to disable. And upon we will back. We'll come in a permissions to customize the precise location so that navigation will not be as visually edited. Now we will click here, precise location off, and then we will click here, don't allow. So no longer the functionality can be enhanced of this browser. Of course, we will back one more time, and here it is officially open by default. So of course, we will check it out. This should be a disable that open, supported, links. That should be a disable at all. We'll back and check it out. And that's especially remove permission and the free that should be a disable. And upon what we will have to do, just cut it from here. Once again, we will check it out how many browser you are using currently on that device or particular any device via that or by virtue of especially you would like to press go. So just we will come in a notification. Once again, we will make it off. Similar style we will have to apply on this browser. So we will come to permissions. So of course we will have to tap on the notification. Make the precise location. Then take care, don't allow. No longer the function is intended, it has completed. So everything should we have completed. Once again, we will come in the Play Store to the open of this browser. See here how easily this can be rescued. Here is the search tapping, so we will have to write here, that is Google. And here just we will tap on especially we will go in a sign in. Sign into it, especially here, you will have to add a particular that ID that we would like to recover. Let's Gmail. Now see guys here, can clearly see that this is the ID that we would like to the rescue. So let's see, we will tap on it. When we tap on it, we don't have a password, so just we will click here, forgot password. Now we don't have a device, maybe especially old one or new one's device has been especially logic that. So just now we will click on here. Try another way because we don't have a last password. This is verified ID, guys. Now last one 86 phone number is that. If we have OTP, then we can go for continue, and if we go for continue, then what will happen, guys? Here, OTP would be a tax on your recovery register number, but of course it has been hacked and device especially or stolen. So we don't have, especially number has been also changed. So what we will do here, directly we will click here, don't have, especially I mean phone. So now it's showing so that answer as many question as you can. Second is that use a device where you have the shine in the before, and the third is that alternative. Yes, recovery or especially family link, and we have this answer. We create all, but here is one option is also more given, so that motives to other ask your account. So of course by that we can risk surely. How it is. Don't click on a try against, we will use another strategy has to other ask now. Just give me a 5 minute more and see here. We will come in a setting to, of course we will have to come in a Google substitution the preference. This has been especially designed to ask you the various password. Now especially we will have on a help option, and after coming on here, have on a search bar to after yeah, just a simple style that I would like to show you. Yes, active email recovery. When we tap on, then we have a limited option here. We will have to pick up one. That is secure or hacked or compromised Google accounts. We would like to address. So just to tap on it. When we tap on it, what's going to happen, guys? This option would be open here. Just we will scroll up. Here is that review your account activities. We will tap on it. We will come inside of that. Here. Let me find out if your account has been hacked. So just click on it. When we tap, so now you would be especially scrolled here, and now see here these steps in the scan the score of your account. So first, now we will come on here. Now the make sure so that you are on a right recovery page of Google, so that has a recommended. Create a replacement Google account. Seconds are while getting locked out of your Gmail account. If the two option is coming, and here is that. What if I can't sign in? If we can't sign in, so then we will tap on a account for recovery page and don't do extra anything. Within one click, see here what's going to happen. So we are in recovery, tap on, automatically this side would be recovered. Now see here, how recommended, just to click on an X and see here what's going on. How easily it has. Welcome to it. See? Yes, what we will do, don't make a mistake in excitement to click on. Just tap on update password, and when we tap on update password, tap first strong opportunity to create the strong password, confirm the strong password, and go for save it. After saving, of course, we will have to go immediately in a Google account management, the security option there. Add a firstly alternative email address. Of course, if you add it successful easily, because yes, email recovery was not added on the particular ID because there was no options to rescue while the rescue option by general method. So we'll add an alternative email phone after that. Yes, should we can remove recovery phone. This was added with yes, and then add a new recovery phone. So this side will be fully secure. This thing I cannot say further because this is a privacy concern. Yes, my viewer who has a money to address for it. Especially a lot of the private data, and of course, due to a space line data privacy security concerns, we cannot have it further. But yes, and if you are facing this kind of challenges, then raise the comment, drop the comments in the comment box. If you are not a positive, let's go by a simple way, similar strategy. Then first you can drop your email, very fast to that. You should have no objections. But I disclose your right. public of this channel. So guys, thank you for your time. Have this tutorial. Hi, this is your technology about this. I will be back. It's the last tutorial. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this content. It's a really supports the channel and also inspiring a lot. Such a good content. So thank you very much. Have a great time. Bye bye.